Low carb, tasty, delicious quesadilla. Here's one of our keto diabetic diet staples. I lost 100 pounds in the last year. This is one of the main meals that I would make to be able to get along the journey. Today we're going to be throwing together a giant low carb quesadilla. You see here that we've got 4 net carb giant tortilla for burrito tortilla. So 8 net carbs for getting a tortilla nice and filling. So we get one of these in the center. This was one of my favorites before I got on the keto or the diabetic diet. So we're going to put our cup of cheese in there. Go ahead and spread that out. Now with this, you can go ahead and change it up. You can go ahead and put bacon in here. You could put some ground beef in here. You could put fajita chicken or shredded chicken. So we're going to put our second tortilla on there. Just like that, we're going to throw it in the microwave for 1 minute. So after it gets out of the microwave, I like to flip it over, press it down all the way around, and then I cut it with a pizza slicer in the sizes that I like so that it's ready to devour. Now you can go ahead and throw sour cream on top. You can throw guacamole on top. You can throw both on top if you wanted. So you can go ahead and get your good fats from the cheese, the sour cream, any kind of meat that you put in there. So now we have our cheesy filling quesadilla. Low carb, tasty, delicious quesadilla. Cheesy, filling, the way that they used to always taste. No sacrificing the flavor or the texture, extra delicious. Thank you so much for enjoying the recipe. If you have not already gotten a copy of our Scared of Needles, How I Lost 100 Pounds in 1 Year, please make sure you check the link below to get yourself a copy. It got me to get my A1C regular, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, got rid of fatty liver, obesity, and of course, no longer diabetic. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.